Texas Chainsaw Massacre Part 2. Yo guys, help me. What the heck happened to you? It's this Leatherface dude. Help me. I don't know what to do. Me too. Come in the house. He might gonna be coming. Bro, you take him in the house and you go in there and I'll stay out here and fight Leatherface. Alright. Come on, bro. Okay, bro, you got this. Leatherface, whatever your name. Oh, you're right there. Ah! Are you okay? Hey, what's going on? Thank God you here. Yeah, I know I'm here. Now what's going on? We got chased by this dude named Leatherface. My brother. Oh, for real? Yeah, y'all, come on. Psych! Ah! Leatherface. Now where we gonna go, Leatherface?